Hi there. What I'm doing here, I'm building a holder for a mobile phone to my motorized bicycle. I will test how fast it goes on the road, so I need a holder for my phone. So I'm combining these GoPro stuff here. This is from a tripod, so I'm thinking of putting my phone here, and I found this UNC threaded screw, and I will cut it and put it here and connect this here, and this will go like that. I just took the nut out from the hole. I will put the longer screw here, so will be like that. Okay, see you in a minute. Here we go. So this is how it looks like now. Shit. So I will measure the speed. I just put my phone here in this holder and use the speedometer app to measure the speed. It may be not pretty, but will do its job. Like so. So here it is, ready to go. I think I take the spark plug out, and I will check the color of it. Let's take it out. Okay, so it's slightly dark in color. It's okay for now, I think. I'll have to maybe fine-tune it. But this spark plug is I took it from my old Harley iron head. Next week I will get a right spark plug for this engine. And I also made new seals here in the carburetor. Previous owner put too much silicone in, and it was also here inside the carburetor quite a lot. I cleaned it and it works pretty good now. Okay, now we go. $25. 30. 32 kilometers per hour. 34. Woohoo! 36. Shit. Okay, let's take this spark plug wire out of here. This cable. Let's take a look at it. Oh, can you see this? It was almost loose. Okay, now I will find pliers and take this out of here. So now I need to dig this end of this cable, dig it out here from this hole. Okay. Just try to twist it. First I will cut the shrinking tube. I'll put it here first. Okay, it goes. I'm bleeding. Okay. Okay, now it's there where it should be. This is a little tricky. Okay, there it goes. Now we need heat. Okay. Now I can say it's secured. No water coming here inside. Okay, we put this back together now. So here it is. I just need to tie these cables and wires, maybe like so. During the next week I will also have an insurance for this bike, so it's legal to drive along the traffic also. So I'm really waiting for it. Okay, I think I will put one here. or so that's okay there. I think I just put this around this clutch cable. Not here in the frame. We'll see it in a minute. Okay, I will leave it like this for now. Maybe one here. I will put it here so it won't slide down. Yeah, it's okay. Like so. Yeah, beautiful. Looks pretty good now. What do you think? Next week I will put the right spark plug here. I also found a choke cable. It's a universal type of choke cable. Now I will install it here. This bike. I don't know. Maybe somewhere here. Put it here. And maybe put it this way. This. The choke is installed here. You can use both hands if you will. It's just here like that. It goes here, right side, behind the seat. Comes here. I didn't have to cut the core, just the right length. Except here, I just bend it like that, 2 directions. I made some kind of L shape here, and look at that. It's simple. Like that. So we are done now. Take care.